Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a quick simple cook. This is some comfort food. It's camembert hedgehog bread cooked in the wood-fired oven. Let's cook.
First off is the bread. This is a part baked loaf. Camembert cheese. Just simply place it on the loaf. Nice sharp knife. Run the knife around it. You want to cut down to the depth of the cheese. Once we've got all around, pop that lid out, and then we're going to cut at 45 degrees across the loaf to within ½ inch of the bottom. So we're going to cut one way, we're going to cut diagonally the opposite way, and don't forget the other end. Important not to cut through the middle here. This will stop the cheese from oozing out. Take one camembert, take the rind off the top, place this into your loaf. Take a pan and melt some butter. You use one head of garlic, give it a bash, peel them, finely chop or grate, a couple of sprigs of rosemary, remove from the stalks, finely chop. Incorporate this into the melted butter, and now we're going to pour it over our bread. Just pull these pockets back and pour this lovely garlic butter in. Just keep pouring any slots that you've missed. Now we're going to start adding some of this rosemary and garlic in. Look at that. Just keep on adding it anywhere and everywhere. And all we can do now is just take a brush over the top, push it down into some of these cracks and crannies. We want the flavour to be deep in this, not just on the top. Any left over in the pan, we're going to put on top of our cheese. Any around the side. Just going to spread this out now equally. Just move it around. Make sure everything's got an even covering. That's a thing of beauty. Alright, it's time to get into our wood-fired oven. You can use a standard oven. This is running at 200 degrees C. That's 400 degrees F. And this is going to go in for a total of 8 minutes. 4 minutes one side. We'll go in, spin it through 180, pop it back in and give it 4 minutes more. After 8 minutes, this camembert hedgehog bread is ready. Look at that. The bread's crisped up nicely. The cheese is melted. I think it's time to let the taste testers have a bit of a taste.
That is amazing.
Oh, God, good.
Beautiful, isn't it? Really nice.
Very nice.
The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.